The cosmos, in its silent dance, sometimes unveils stories so immense that they shake the very foundations of our most established theories. For those who gaze at the sky with attentive eyes, the fabric of the universe appears as an intricate weave of mysteries and wonders, where each new piece seems to suggest that reality always surpasses imagination. Imagine a journey across billions of light years, as our galaxy dissolves into an invisible speck and the Milky Way becomes just one of the countless drops in a raging cosmic current. It is in this vastness that a discovery destined to rewrite our idea of grandeur takes shape: the Quipu supercluster. What makes Quipu so mesmerizing is not only its size, which is itself almost impossible to fully comprehend, but the way its existence seems to violate the very rules on which we have built our vision of the cosmos. Stretching over 1.3 billion light-years, Quipu appears as a luminous scar etched in the darkness of the primordial universe. Its extensions traverse space like intertwined threads, evoking the ancient knots of the Incas from which it takes its name, a sort of secret message left in the sky. The mass of Quipu defies any terrestrial analogy, more than 2,000 times that of our own galaxy, composed of tens of thousands of galaxies clustered together in a single, colossal gravitational lattice. To give an idea, it would be like lining up one after another the main galactic highways we know, only to discover there is still room to host entire universes between one knot and the next. The discovery of Quipu did not arise from a single telescope, but from the union of the most advanced observation technologies, spectral analysis, and cosmic simulation. The first clues emerged by analyzing the light from ancient quasars, whose radiation travels for nearly 10 billion years before reaching us. The quasars themselves, powerful beacons set on the edge of Quipu, serve as silent witnesses to cosmic events that no human could have ever seen live. By studying the distribution of galaxies through the phenomenon of magnesium absorption in their atmospheres, astronomers detected a recurring pattern, as if the same invisible thread had tied together regions of space that theory considered irreparably distant. When the data were overlaid on maps from surveys such as the Sloan Digital Sky Survey and three-dimensional reconstructions of known superclusters, Quipu's outline began to emerge clearly. For those anchored to Earth, the perception of such distances risks losing all meaning. A billion light-years is a distance that dwarfs any comparison. Light, traveling at the universe's maximum speed, would need the entire history of the dinosaurs plus an ice age just to cross a part of it. But the most astonishing fact for the scientific community is that Quipu is not just enormous. It is located in a region of the universe still young, observed as it was more than 9 billion years ago, when matter itself was organizing into the first outlines of galaxies. This means that titanic structures like Quipu were already present when the cosmos was less than half its current age, suggesting a process of aggregation both rapid and unexpected. Until recently, modern cosmology was governed by an almost philosophical principle, the so-called large-scale homogeneity. In other words, the universe, if observed at a sufficient distance, should appear similar everywhere, without large variations in density or aggregation. But Quipu seems to mock this idea, showing that nature has managed to weave real bridges of matter over distances that no standard model dared to predict. The most direct comparison is with already extraordinary structures such as the giant arc, discovered in 2021 and over 3 billion light-years long, and the Hercules-Boötes Great Wall. Yet Quipu, though slightly shorter, possesses unparalleled density and complexity. It is not just a filament, but a network of networks, a hypercluster uniting hundreds of superclusters, overturning every previous estimate of the limits of gravitational cohesion. And yet, the true revolution does not lie in size alone. The existence of Quipu forces scientists to question the fate of the universe itself. If such structures formed so quickly and with such cohesion, how many others might be hidden in the darkness, beyond our observational reach? And above all, what forces truly shaped the geography of the universe in its first billions of years? The most fascinating hypothesis is that dark matter, that invisible and elusive component representing over 80% of cosmic mass, has played an even more decisive role than previously thought in connecting and stabilizing these giants. Every filament of Quipu could be a trail left by the flow of dark matter, invisible to our eyes but essential to the universe's grand design. On the other hand, some theories suggest that perhaps our very concept of gravity and its laws needs revisiting. Could there be an as yet unknown physical principle capable of clustering galaxies on scales impossible to imagine? The idea is not new, but it gains new momentum every time a discovery like Quipu's challenges certainties accumulated over decades of research. In this scenario, cosmology enters a new season of doubt and promise. On one side, the temptation to explain everything with dark matter and dark energy; on the other, the possibility that reality is even more complex and surprising. The journey to discover Quipu has only just begun. Its analysis now involves research teams scattered across the globe, working to decipher its internal structure, the dynamics of its clusters, and how it interacts with surrounding regions. Next-generation instruments, such as the James Webb Space Telescope and the Vera Rubin Observatory, are now aimed at these distant realms, in hopes of capturing even finer details of the composition, temperature, and motion of the galaxies within it. Each new image, every collected spectrum, represents yet another fragment of the great cosmic puzzle. The challenge is to determine whether Quipu is truly a one-off, a fortuitous anomaly, or the first example of an entire class of structures yet to be explored. The investigation into Quipu has by now turned into a quest for definitive proof. Is it a statistical coincidence, a perspective error, or the sign that the universe is far more irregular and astonishing than anyone ever dared to believe? The most advanced cosmological simulations, based on the Lambda CDM model, try to reproduce the formation of such megastructures, but often collide with intrinsic limits. The amount of visible matter, the rapidity of gravitational coalescence, and the known laws of physics seem insufficient to justify the birth of giants like Quipu in so little time. And yet, observational data accumulate and all point to the same conclusion. Quipu is real, and its existence forces us to rethink the rules of the game. A particularly fascinating aspect concerns the arrangement of the galaxies that make up Quipu. It is not a simple linear filament, but a branching structure, almost like a vast cosmic neural network, with dense nodes and bridges of matter stretching for hundreds of millions of light years. Some nodes appear to host already mature superclusters when the universe was still in its youth, suggesting that galactic aggregation processes operated far more efficiently than previously thought. In certain places, matter densities reach values so high as to raise suspicions of the presence of cosmic black holes, zones of gravitational attraction so powerful that they influence the very growth of the supercluster. In others, the rarefaction is so extreme as to evoke absolute emptiness. Cosmic bubbles that, on the other hand, could be the seeds of new galactic expansions in a still distant future. The technologies used to study Quipu represent the best of international scientific collaboration. Sensors capable of detecting the faintest radio waves, spectroscopes able to hear the chemical traces left by dying galaxies, software that reconstructs in 3 dimensions the evolution of cosmic fabric. Each tool adds detail to a picture that grows ever more complex. Some infrared images from James Webb have revealed inner regions of Quipu where star formation is still active, despite the advanced age of the galaxies. In these cosmic forges, matter is compressed by gravity until it triggers the birth of new stars. True laboratories of extreme physics that challenge the understanding even of the most expert astrophysicists. But the deepest implications of Quipu's discovery are not limited to astronomical scales. The questions it raises slip into the most intimate folds of our existence. If the universe can produce such vast and complex structures, what does this say about the ultimate fate of the cosmos? The model of accelerated expansion, driven by dark energy, predicts that over billions of years galaxies will drift ever farther apart until all bonds dissolve, leaving a cold, desolate universe. Yet Quipu demonstrates that matter can still bind, aggregate, and resist, at least in certain remote corners of spacetime. Perhaps there are still unknown balances between the force of gravity and the push of dark energy, balances that permit the birth of islands of cohesion amidst the great cosmic abyss. There is no shortage of speculative theories that go beyond conventional science. Some researchers suggest that Quipu could be the sign of a cyclic universe, in which matter gathers and disperses in successive phases, giving rise to structures that are witnesses to epochs preceding our own. Others hypothesize that regions like Quipu are the result of primordial quantum fluctuations, amplified in the first fractions of a second after the Big Bang. There are even those who dream of finding, within the folds of these superclusters, traces of advanced civilizations or signals of a cosmic intelligence that has left its mark on scales beyond our comprehension. For now, the reality of Quipu is that of a scientific marvel that defies every attempt at reduction to mere formulas. Every new datum gathered expands the boundary of our knowledge and, at the same time, opens new abysses of ignorance. Its discovery not only compels cosmology to rethink its theories, but invites each of us to reflect on how much remains to be discovered beyond the thin veil of the visible. Ultimately, Quipu is the symbol of our condition, tiny inhabitants of an ordinary planet, suspended between questions that still have no answers, driven by an insatiable thirst for knowledge. And while telescopes tirelessly scan the cosmic darkness, every light captured from Quipu becomes an ancient message, a fragment of an immense story that we are only now beginning to decipher. Perhaps, billions of years from now, other minds, in remote corners of the universe or in future eras, will still marvel at the wonders of Quipu. Perhaps the true meaning of these structures is not only scientific, but profoundly human, to remind us that every answer gained enlarges the perimeter of mystery, and that the journey, more than the destination, is what makes the exploration of the cosmos one of the most exciting adventures ever experienced. If you have made it this far, it means you love curiosity as much as we do. If you enjoyed this journey, leave a like, write a comment, and subscribe to the channel. It's the best way to support what we do. Your presence truly makes a difference. Until the next exploration.